Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irfan Raihan. I'm from FRI 82 and student number is 120117446. So I want to tell you about what is meja serbaguna. Meja serbaguna is a lesehan study table which is equipped with several combination of hosts such as tables and bookshelves. Access the use of easy tables, complete enough tools and materials need and start to be used on multi-purpose table. While to use bookshelf and storage, simply store books and work equipment in a drawer. Also available is a small well underneath so that the table is easily moved. About analysis STP, meja serbaguna will sell around the city of Bandung. Meja serbaguna are also sold in the university environment where there are a lot of student lodgings due to the need for household furniture. And demographics, especially for students to help with the storage of goods and learning in the boarding house. And psychographic, meja serbaguna will be sold to upper middle class students who have about average income. About behavior, the company sells with the segmentation of students who have a practical and simple inclination to place on boarding. Targeting. For targeting, companies will use a product specialization to target products to students. That is because the company specialization for meja serbaguna. For positioning, meja serbaguna is a household furniture that has various functions and has minimalist design and size so that it has the tagline efficient, effective, and multifunction. With the tagline, meja serbaguna akan will attract the attention of consumer, especially from the class of students. Marketing mix. PT FRI 82 for marketing mix used 4P strategy. First is product, second is place, third is price, and fourth is promotion. In product, meja serbaguna is a cross-sectional study table with a variety of multifunction that has a minimalist size. In place, PT FRI 82 has a location on Street Terusan Buah Batu. In price, meja serbaguna will be sold for 600,000 rupiah. In promotion, PT FRI 82 use social media and collaborate with OA official account buying and selling form at the university.
This is the marketing plan for meja serbaguna. It consists of demand forecasting, target penjualan, and volume penjualan. Demand forecasting is a demand for the first selling of our product in 2021. And target penjualan is a sales target of the meja serbaguna from 2021 until 2026. And the last is target penjualan, volume penjualan, volume penjualan. It is a volume production of media serbaguna from 2021 until 2026.
SDM plan for PT FRI Ekcicu. PT FRI Ekcicu has CEO, Production General Manager, Marketing and Sales Manager, HRD Specialized, Finance Specialized for production of media serbaguna. In PT FRI Ekcicu has 23 people for production. For direct costs in 2025 is 700 million 634,418. For indirect costs in 2025, 136 million 80,000 rupiah. For executive costs in 2025, 482 million 792,556 rupiah.
And this is cost for SDM for our company. The green ones in table is direct labor planning salary of beginning recruitment and direct labor planning salary after second recruitment. And the table of the blue ones is the indirect labor planning salary of beginning recruitment and indirect labor planning salary after second recruitment. And then the last is the yellow table. It is the executive labor planning salary of beginning recruitment and then executive labor planning salary after second recruitment. And this is a production and operational cost for our company. Total direct cost is consists of direct material cost and direct labor salary, and then total overhead cost. It consists of the indirect labor salary, electrical machine expense, maintenance cost, and etc. And then total direct cost plus total overhead cost is total production cost. And then there are total operational costs. It consists of THR expenses, SIUP administration expenses, and etc. And this is sensitivity analysis of our company. With percentage increase of 11%, our NPV is 734 million, 40 and 20,000, and 113. And percentage increase of 12%, our NPV is 704 million, 161,000, and 209. So raw material costs are sensitive to 35.27%. And this is feasibility analysis for our company. With NPV of our company is 1,135,562,000 and 769. With payback period is 2.3 years. And IRR of our company is 78%. With BCR is 1.35.
PT FRI exists to have a supplier. First is supplier toko kayu novel, second supplier roda, supplier wheel, third supplier mur. Supplier toko kayu novel. It is located on Street Geger Kalong Hilir, Kecamatan Sukasari, Bandung City, West Java. And supplier wheel, it is located in LTC Glodok GF2 A2 33 Street Hamburg number 127 RT 1 RW6 Mangga Besar, Kecamatan Taman Sari, West Jakarta, Ibu Kota Jakarta. And supplier Mlur, it is located in Geger Kalong Hill Street number 73 Geger Kalong, Kecamatan Sukasari, Kota Bandung, West Java.
And this is routing sheet for our company. It consists of number, operation, facility name, and processing time for each operation, and theoretical machine capacity and its unit per day, defect of the machine, efficiency, actual machine capacity, amount of actual machine, and required production amount, prepared production amount, and machine required, the theoretical and actual unit. And you can see the number in table. Okay.
2, 1, go. REC GBBU for cardboard stacking 50. Stacking maximum for meja serbaguna. REC GBBU cardboard stacking 50. REC GBBU for wood stacking 50. REC GBBU for wood 20. REC GBBU for table leg is 40. REC GBBU for rubber table well is 3,900. REC GBBU steel 325,000. GBBU wood stacking 20. A to B stacking 40 GBBU for wood. C 72 GBBU wood. D for 44. D to E stacking 60 GBBU rubber for table well. F 5,698. E to G stacking 60. F to G 5,698. GBBP steel G 925,000. G to H stacking 40. B to I stacking 40. C to I stacking 72. I to G stacking 12. G to K stacking 12. K to L stacking 12. H to L stacking 40 GBP cardboard for box L25. Material handling for PT FRI XT2 use trolley. A dimension of trolley is 1.5 kali 1.3 kali 1 meter. Allowance of material movement 2.
This is our factory layout area. We have 17 facility from meja ukur until meja packaging, and we have 5 area: receiving area, GBBU area, GBBP area, warehouse area, and shipping area. And total of our facility layout is 625 meter square. And this is FTC cost or movement cost from each material from each operation. Example, from receiving area to GBBU, or from area A to area B. This is our office layout after ARC. You can see AA is table, BA, BB, BC is chair, CA and CB is for locker. And this is our final layout of our factory. You can see